Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Cystoid macular edema. In cystoid macular edema, in cystoid macular edema, there will be accumulation of fluid will be present between the outer plexiform layer and inner nuclear layer of retina. It is mainly present at the fovea. Okay, here there is accumulation of fluid between the outer plexiform layer and inner nuclear layer of retina. So actually in this picture, right, in this picture if you see, the fluid accumulation is mainly present between the outer plexiform layer and inner nuclear layer. So fluid accumulation is actually seen somewhere here, okay, between the outer retinal layer and outer plexiform layer and inner nuclear layer of retina. So
thank you and thank you for watching.